Better prepare your home, better prepare your family.
It is that time of the year to test the charge in your smoke alarm batteries before we spring forward. The reminder comes after recent fires across the bi-state killed more than a dozen people.
Megan Kernan is joining us live from North St. Louis with the steps that you can take to stay safe. Good morning, Megan.
Good morning, Michelle and Rennie. We're live at the St. Louis Fire Department headquarters, where crews want to remind you smoke alarms like this one play a vital role in helping save your life. So before you change your clocks this weekend, change those smoke alarm batteries. In over 2 weeks, 14 people have died in house fires in the St. Louis metro. That's why St. Louis Fire Captain Garen Mosby is talking about some important safety reminders. First, test your smoke alarms and replace the batteries if needed. Second, make sure you and your family have a 2-minute fire escape plan. Third, have at least 2 ways to get out and a meeting place when you get outside. Lastly, replace those smoke alarms that are 10 years or older. The National Fire Protection Association estimates your chance of survival are 55% greater if you have a working smoke alarm. Mosby says the recent string of fires is worrisome.
It is obviously concerning because we've had so many in the region. But again, it just underscores the importance in taking some time out of your day and making sure that those smoke alarms are working, right? Making sure that your family has an emergency exit plan. Because regardless of what happened in those other circumstances or situations, we have to learn from them. The smoke is deadly, and the smoke will get you a lot faster than the fire will.
Now, this weekend, the St. Louis Fire Department is partnering with the Red Cross to go into neighborhoods and install 1,000 free smoke alarm for residents. Coming up in our next half hour, how one Red Cross event happening later this morning aims to help prevent those house fires. Live in North St. Louis, Megan Kernan, 5 on your side.